Hello and welcome to your ultimate South Coast getaway. Now I'm here in the heart of KwaZulu-Natal's stunning Hibiscus Coast at the iconic Laguna La Crete here in Uvongo. And I'm thrilled to introduce you to Unit 94, a spectacular slice of beachfront paradise that is truly second to none. This isn't just a holiday apartment, it's a coastal experience wrapped in comfort and security. From this breathtaking first floor vantage point, you're not just near the ocean, you're living the ocean. Get ready to fall in love with a place where the sound of the waves is your daily soundtrack. Now let's step inside and explore what makes Unit 94 your perfect home away from home. First, let's talk about this amazing view. Now this expansive balcony is the unit's heart. Now imagine firing up that gas braai after a lovely day on the beach, dining al fresco with the whole family, and watching the sunset over the Indian Ocean. It's also the perfect spot for dolphin and even whale spotting during migration season. Step inside and you'll find a beautifully styled open plan living area. The lounge is bright, comfortable, and equipped with a TV, perfect for those quiet evenings in. Plus, with free, reliable Wi-Fi throughout the unit, you can also share your incredible holiday snaps instantly. The fully equipped kitchen is self-catering and makes meal prep a breeze. Now they've included all the essentials from the stove, oven, microwave, fridge, freezer, to the convenient dishwasher and kettle. Now whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or prepping a gourmet feast, everything you need is right here. Unit 94 is designed to comfortably sleep 6 guests across 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 modern bathrooms. The main and second bedrooms feature cozy queen or double beds, while the third room is perfect for kids or friends with 2 comfortable twin beds. Now, all rooms offer ample storage and are fitted with ceiling fans to ensure a comfortable night's rest. Now, they've even taken care of luxury linen, so you only need to pack your personal towels and a smile. Beyond the unit, the Laguna La Crete complex itself is a resort-style haven. You'll benefit from 24-hour security and controlled access for absolute peace of mind. Spend your days relaxing by the sparkling communal swimming pools, showing off your serve on the tennis court, or using a convenient on-site laundromat. Best of all, you have direct, secure access straight down to Uvongo Beach. Now let's talk about this incredible neighborhood. Uvongo is famous for a reason, and that reason is its breathtaking main beach, home to one of KZN's most unique sights, the Uvongo waterfall, which plunges 23 meters into a beautiful lagoon. Now you can hire a paddle boat, enjoy a picnic, or cast a line from the iconic Uvongo fishing pier, which is known for fantastic angling and wildlife viewing. Now from comfort, convenience, and stunning views of Unit 94 to the vibrant, action-packed adventures of Uvongo and the KZN South Coast, this holiday apartment truly is the total package. Book your stay now at Unit 94 in Laguna La Crete today and start making unforgettable memories right here on the beachfront. To find out more and to book this amazing apartment, check out the link in the comment sections.